Hello, I'm Jose Botero. Welcome to Arts 57, where today we're going to draw a Percheron horse. The Percheron is a large breed of horses that originate from western France, from the Perche province, hence the name. It is considered a very intelligent and hard-working horse. I have seen them in Amish country, plowing large fields and pulling heavy loads. This step-by-step drawing is from a book by Amy Hogeboom named Horses and How to Draw Them. Amy was a New York artist born in the late 19th century. She was an illustrator for magazines and other periodicals, working mostly in gouache, watercolor, and bronze paint. Most of her artwork was done between 1920 and 1950. But Amy had a heart for teaching and produced a series of drawing tutorials that range from how to draw horses to how to draw birds, dogs, forest animals, and even boats. A few years ago, I found a few of her now out-of-print books and thought them to be as timely today as they were when Amy produced them. Being respectful of her art, I redrew all her illustrations for horses and how to draw them as faithfully as possible and recreated the book. You can download a free copy of Horses and How to Draw Them from horses, period, GR8, that's the number 8, .com. Horses, period, GR8.com, or by clicking on the link in the description below. Amy Hogeboom died in 1970 at the age of 90. Amy often used the ellipse as a major body shape and built up the illustrations with a series of intersecting lines and overlapping shapes until the drawing was completed. Once you finish the drawing tutorial and have the basic shape of the horse, you can enhance the drawing by adding some shading, like I did here, or color, or even a bit of a background. Stretch your imagination and go beyond what the tutorial teaches you. If you followed the exercise, you have learned how to draw a horse. Please click on the link below to download your copy of Amy Hogeboom's Horses and How to Draw Them. Thank you for watching.